Hey guys, it's Miss Simpson here, and I just wanted to record a quick video for you guys on line plots. So I am actually looking at page 535. We're going to do some problems together. The first problem says Liliana needs to buy beads for a necklace. The beads are sold by mass. She sketches a design to determine what beads are needed and then writes down their sizes. The sizes are shown below. So they give us a data set. This is called a data set. It's just a group of data, and these are the sizes of all the beads that she has. So let's go ahead and graph the data set. So it looks like they have 3 1/5 written down. So let me mark out 3 of those 1/5 that they have already written down. 1, 2, 3. I don't see any more. So let's look to see how many 2/5 there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to draw 5 X's. How many 3/5 are there? There is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. There are 1, 2, 4/5. So now we've graphed our data. We've used the data set that they've created and we graphed our data. Now they're going to ask us questions about this data set. What is the combined mass of all the beads with a mass of 2/5 grams? So this is when I'm looking at the 2/5 gram section. The answer is not 5 because there are 5 2/5 grams beads, but they're looking for what is the weight. So I have to do either 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5, or I need to take 2/5 and I can just multiply it times 5. So remember, I put a 1 under it, top to top, bottom to bottom. Okay, then I'm simplifying. In this case, 5 goes into both 10 and 5, so it's 2/1, which is 2. So we write in 2 grams here. What is the combined mass of all the beads on the necklace? Okay, so if I have 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, that is equal to what? 3/5, right? If I add all these up, this is equal to 3/5. We already decided that the 2/5 times 5 is 2. So now 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 is what we need to solve next. Or I could just do 3/5 times 3, which is 9/5, which is 1 4/5. So this one's 1 4/5. And then I need to do 4/5 times 2. 8/5, which is 1 3/5. 1 3/5. Okay, so I need to add up all those totals, and just in order to figure out what's going on. Okay, so I would do 3/5 plus 2/5. That is 2 3/5. Running out of room. 2 3/5 plus 1 4/5 plus 1 3/5. So 2, 3, 4. 4 is our whole number. So 3/5 plus 4/5 is 7/5 plus 3/5 is 10/5, which is equal to 2. So I have 2 plus 4, and that's equal to 6. So 6 is the total, 6 grams is the total mass of everything on that line plot. Now, when it asks you, what is the average mass of the beads in the necklace, you have to count. How many X's do I have? Okay, how many data points were collected? And that is what you are going to divide the total grams of the necklaces by. Because the average, when you find the average of something, you add them all up and divide by how many are there. That's how we find out what your grades are. We add all the grades up and divide it by how many grades you have. So we've already added everything up. The 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 2/5 plus 2/5 plus 2. We've added every bit of that up, right? So now we just need to find the average. The total was 6. So when I find the average, I'm dividing. So I have 6 divided by how many x's are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 6 divided by 13. That's the same thing as 6 over 13. I could solve that out and put a 1 under both and flip the second one. However, I would get 6 over 13. Okay. You'll notice there's a lot of work on the screen, and that's because these questions, though there's not that many, they do require a lot of work. So please use this video to help you with your next assignment. And you might have to go back and watch it just a couple times, okay? Thanks, guys.